Here.
What?
How's your day been?
It's alright.
What you about to do?
Go home.
And do what?
Go home.
Watch some TV?
Maybe.
Maybe. That's good. Hi, Maxie.
Y'all pathetic. I had nothing else to do but
Dad!
My bad. I was just trying to talk to you. I didn't know.
you know how to talk to nobody.
My bad.
Dad!
My bad. My bad.
How do you feel about that, Dad?
I feel real bad about that. My bad. I'm just...
Lying.
I would have went up and heard him.
Do it back.
I will.
Put it back, Michelle.
I
Then you
can't.
can throw it at her. Throw it
Don't throw it at me. Shut up, Maxie. What are you yelling about, huh? What are you yelling about? What are you yelling about? That's what I thought.
I got caught yelling car barking.
Okay, well, we're not being specific over here, okay?
Dogs don't yell, they bark.
Okay, Kier, dang, what are you, our dictionary?
And stop.
Okay.